Now let's add those views to CATIA. So I'll go for start, go for save, then I'll start sketch tracer. Okay. So in sketch tracer, I'll switch on my material mode. That is the best mode in order to apply the views. I'll just go for my material mode. Then let me go for side view first. Okay. That means left view. Or I'll go for front view. I'll start from the front. So let me go to the image sketch tracer, then let me go to the file, then let me go to the desktop and let me select the image, that is front view open. Okay. So now I have to set this, you can say the height is 1616, enter 2043. You can see I got the same. So I'll go for OK. You can see my front view is done. Okay, remember this is sketch tracer workbench. Okay. This is your sketch tracer workbench. In sketch tracer workbench, we add our sketch to CATIA, or we add any kind of image to CATIA. Okay, so this is my front view. Front view is added. Then I'll go to the top. Okay, I'll go to the top. Then I'll add the top view. Sorry, I'll just add the side view first. So side view. Let me go for image. Like, remember, I have to click on this icon. This is my sir. You can see this is my sketch tracer workbench. In sketch tracer workbench, I have to select create immersive sketch. Then click on this, then side view open. Okay. So I have to set the dimensions properly. So how much this one height should be 1616, enter 4901. Okay, it is done. Side view is added. Okay, now let me arrange it properly. Okay, I'll just arrange it, not now. Okay. Now let me go to the top view. In the top view, what I will do is I'll go for again immersive sketch file. Then let me select the top view. Then I'll go for open. Okay, so you can see it is like this. So what I need to do is I need to rotate it. Okay, I'll press shift. Sorry. Okay, I'll go for again immersive sketch. So what I've done is I have not pressed shift, so it rotated randomly. Okay. Okay. Let me just again add the view. Okay. So what I will do is I'll just rotate it. Let me rotate it. Okay. So it is done. I'll go for OK. Okay, I need to set up the dimensions also. Okay, this should be in other direction. So what is the height? Height is, you can see, this is the width, this is the height. So height is 2043. Okay. You can see it is actually opposite. So let me just go for opposite, flip it. Okay, so it is done. Okay, I will arrange it. Okay, it is not properly arranged now, so I'll arrange it. Okay. So now let me just arrange it properly. So I'll just move this one backward. Okay, I'll just move this one. Okay. Again, this is not lying exactly on the center. So that can be a problem. So what I have to do is I have to set it on the center only. Flip, flip. Okay, you can see it is it is not exactly at the center. I have to flip it again. Let me check whether it is at the center. Yes. At the center, let me click this one and let me move it here so that it will be aligned properly. Okay, remember. So alignment is very much required. So I'll just align it with this view. Let me check whether it is properly aligned or not. Yes, it is properly aligned. Then I have to align this view also with here. Okay, it is done. You can see my whole view set is done. Now what I have to do is I have to arrange the top view also. So let me move this top view downwards little bit here. Okay, it is done. I can see I have my required views. Only one view is left, that is my back view. So let me again add that view also. So I'll just go for sketch tracer, file. Let me select my back side view, back rear view. Okay, so now it is added. Okay, so 2043, enter. Just flip the direction and go for OK. Then it is done. Okay. Now let me select this one. Let me move it to the back. You can see my views are done. Okay. Now let me select all these images, properties, and go for graphics. And I will turn on some transparency. Okay, so that I can start my image. Okay. I'll go for OK. So it is done. Okay. So now let me just start adding my part files. Okay. So let me select this, and I think it has more transparent. Okay. So let me hide this view, this area. I don't need this for now. Okay. Okay. So it's done. Now what I will do is I will insert my part. So I'll go for product, then insert new part. Okay. So new part to this product. So now what I will do is I'll just select and I will make these things as unpickable. Okay. I click properties. So unpickable. That means I should not be able to pick it from my model space. Okay. I can pick it, but I have to pick it from my tree only. Okay. I cannot pick it from my model space. Pickable. Okay. Right click properties, pickable, then okay. Okay. So it is done. You can see all the views are added. Now it's time for modeling. So where do we start the modeling? First, we prepare the side. You can say tire covers. Then we go for bumpers. Then we go for all other things. Just be patient. So within some time, we'll be able to prepare some of the faces. Let's start. So we'll start on with our, you can say, tire covers. Okay. Then let me go to the part. Then let me select the part body, insert geometrical set. So what is this geometrical set? So if you want to contain your curves and surfaces, okay, remember your any 3D model consists of point, edge, faces, volumes, etc., etc. So if you want only 2D, to not 2D, low dimensional things, that is your surfaces and points to be saved in a separate, you can say geometrical entity or within a separate, you can say parent heading. Okay. Then for geometrical set. So then we have to select this one. Right click, define in work object. Now arrange it plane and let me go for sketch. I'll go for start, shape, generative shape design. Generative shape design is used to design any kind of surface. So start, shape, generative shape design. A whole lot of toolbox are available. Then let me add these parts. So what I will do is I will add this part first. This is the tire, remember, this is your tire. So what I am doing is I am going for the tire cover. Okay, I am going for the tire cover. Okay, so now let me do this. So how to do it? So first I need some, okay, so I'll just select the face, then I'll go for sketch. Then let me add the See, very easy. You think that these things are very difficult? No. Okay. If you just have basic knowledge on any 2D drafting also, these things can be done. These things are that easy. Okay, remember, these things are not difficult at all. What I am showing you is not difficult at all. Okay, so it is done. Half of this is placed. Then I have to place the other half. Start from here to here. Let me place it. Done. Then I'll go for a straight line from, or I'll go for another arc. Okay. Okay. So now let me extend this. So I'll go for trim. So I'll select this one. Then I'll select this face. Okay, this done. Then from here, I'll just draw a straight line. Against the straight line is not getting tangent, so I'll just select this one. This tangent. Okay. Okay. So let me go to class. Okay. So what I will do is I'll just reduce this one. Okay. I'll just reduce this one so that I can start from. See, you just have to see how these things are done. Okay. There are various types of process of doing it. So I'm using one process. Okay. So now again from here, from this point to this point, done. Okay. From this point to this point, done. Is done now. Then from this point to this point. Okay. It is done. Then I trace the same thing on this side also. I'll trace it up to here. Done. Then I'll trace it from here to here. Then let me press the shift and done. Okay. Now it is done. Sir, why we are doing this? Okay. So this is from the front view, remember. This is from the front. Sorry, this is from the side. So our one of our line is there from the side. Now I will come to the front view and let me select the sketch. Then let me go for, so let's select the plane and let me go for sketch. Okay. So here I will go for this bend that it has. You can see this is the tire line, remember. If I show you, this is the tire line. And this is how our curve is following the. Okay. So now let me convert this one to construction. See, I'm using shortcuts. Control F1. You can also use directly sketch tools to convert this to construction. Okay. So now what I will do is you can see it starts from here. So again, I'll go for my curve, or you can say I'll go for my arc. I will stay set it here. Then I will bring it up to here. Then let me just place it properly. Okay, I need a little bit more into it. So I'll start here. Then I will bring it up to here. Then let me just arrange it properly. Okay, this part is done. Then there are some other curves in here. Then I'll go for this curve to here, then tangent. Let me arrange, sorry. Let me fix this one properly. This one is already fixed. So now I'll just arrange this one. Okay, you can see it is arranged. It is done. So now what to do? Let me just extend this one. Okay, I need to extend this one. In order to extend this one, I need my trim profile. So where is my trim here? So trim, select, extend, then exit the sketch. Then once these views are done, what we need to do? We need to project them onto each other. Okay, we need to project them onto each other. Let me increase the transparency a little bit more. My object calling is on, so you're not able to see this. So now, okay. So now I'll go for wireframe. In the wireframe, I have a combine curve option. This combine curve option is used to combine these two curves. Okay, I'll go for okay. So you can see my cover is ready. So it is up to this much only. So I need to increase that one. So you can say I'll go to the sketch 2. I'll just increase, I'll just extend it to this one a little bit more. So I have extended the top one. I'll extend this one. Okay. So now exit. Okay. Okay. So I can see now it is done. So now what I will do is in extremum point. So what is the use of extremum point? Extremum point is used to place the point exactly at a position with respect to a certain direction. Okay, in here I'll set this as the direction. If I go for preview, you can see it is placing here. Okay,